Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, we had CPI yesterday and it was a little disappointing because for the last couple of weeks, we are not getting a proper directional market after the news. If you were observing CPI, then probably you have also observed that when the news came out, gold went up a little, then it started falling, and market took support around 250 surprisingly, and you can see that market recovered also. Right now, market is trading between 2530 and 2500 on the middle here. So things are really confusing right now because we can see that gold is still trading inside the range, and I have no words for the resistance of 2530, 2528. If you have been trading on gold for quite some time, then you must remember that in the year 2021-22, we had a very strong level of 1790, 1790. I will never forget the level of 1790 in my life because 1790 was a very strong support, and when market broke the support of 1790, then it became a very strong resistance. So for many months 1790 1790 was a critical level, and now I can see that 2530 is also playing the similar role here. So 1790 and 2530, I will never forget in my life. Okay, so market is again tested 2530. Again, market came down. I don't know how long it will work, but yes, it is. It is a very risky level. Okay, if market breaks, my dear friend, if market breaks 2532, then we can look for a buy above it. Okay, and if you want to take a sell again around 252, 2528, 2530 area, that's your personal choice. Personally, I will not recommend because the level is very fragile right now. Anytime market may go for a breakout. Okay, so if market breaks 2532 with good volume, then we can look for a buy above it. And as we all know, at the bottom we have 2570, 24, sorry, 2470, 2475 as the support. The support of 2470, 2475 is still very much valid, but right now we also have another supported on 2500. Okay, so this is the overall range here. Okay, this is the overall range, and right now this is the minor range 2500, 2530. So gold is playing some dirty tricks with all of us. We look at the weekly chart of gold, and we can see that gold is again forming a spinning top or a doji kind of a pattern this week. So this is the fourth week we are witnessing indecision in the market. So this is a clear-cut indication that this market is not ideal for positional and swing trades. So if you have any ongoing position, that's a different story. You can hold your buy and sell position. But if you're looking for fresh position as a day trader, sorry, as a swing trader or position trader, then obviously you will have to wait for a few more days because still we do not have a clear direction. Right now, market is stuck inside a range. 2530 is a ghost level. Okay. And in this type of situation, live market analysis can be very useful. And for that, we have Dotbee as our beloved friend. We have discussed about Dotbee earlier also. You must know that Dotbee is an AI-powered chatbot that not only answers our questions, but it also helps us in our live trading with its live market analysis. You just need to choose your preferred currency pair here and your preferred time frame, and you will be receiving live market analysis from time to time. You can see that it will give you a detailed market analysis so that you can make some good trades. And Dotbee is very easy to use also. You just need to click here, the application will open and you can use it in the mobile view so that you can observe the market and also enjoy the live market analysis at the same time. Feel free to check out Dotbee, the link is in the description. And today during the day, we have initial jobless claims data. So it will bring volatility during the US session. So US session will be US session again with some volatility. But you also need to keep your eyes on the ECB interest rate decision because this will also bring volatility in the market. So you must be wondering that you trade on gold and why you need to keep your eye on ECB interest rate decision, because the euro is a major currency, global currency. So any big move on euro will also bring a big move on dollar, and that will bring move on the chart of gold. So be careful, stay alert. And if you look at the present market sentiment, you can see gold flat likely to remain well supported. Gold flat following CPI and presidential debate. So gold is flat. We can expect the market to remain within the range for this week as well. Okay. So gold is sideways, and in sideways market, buy at support, sell at resistance is the best trading strategy. Most of the people, or most of us, lose money in sideways market because we lose our patience, we get tired, we end up entering on the middle of the chart. But if you trade from level to level, then yes, you can make some quick money as well. In this type of market, you cannot expect to sit on a position for the next few days. No, you need to enter and exit within the same day or within a very short span of time. When it will be a trending market, then you just buy at retracement and you just sit on it. So every market condition is different, and we need to behave accordingly. Okay. So in this current market situation, as we have already discussed, if market drops 2470, 2475 is the best support on the chart of gold. But before the support of 247075, we also have support around 2486 to 2484. The level where market bounced previously, we can expect the same level to provide support to the market again, as gold is well supported. And before the level of 248685, sorry, 2486, 2484, we also have support around 2494 area. Why 2494? Because of the support around this particular zone here. So during the day, if market drops, we can also look for support around 2494. Another support of 2500, okay, where market bounced yesterday, is still very much valid, but market has already tested the level of 2500 many times. So there may be some stop loss hunting around 2500. So please be careful. If you see market going down with small candles, low volume, then only look for a buy around 2500. Otherwise, just avoid. Okay. Now you must be wondering that, okay, these levels are far away from the current market price. Yes, it's true. So we can also look for some immediate levels. Okay, for immediate levels, we need to switch to a lower time frame. So right now, gold is trading around 2516. This is the current market price, and we have switched to the 15 minutes time frame. So the levels that we will be discussing right now are from the 15 minutes time frame, and as we all know, lower time frame means low reliability. Okay, so these are the levels that you can expect to work when the volume is low. Means during US session, they will not work because they do not have this capacity to provide support to the market. But before US session, you can expect to give you a quick bounce of 30-40 pips. So the first level is 2508 and the second level is 2505. Okay, these are the two levels where you can look for a quick bounce before US session. After US session, they will not work because of the low reliability. Okay, so why we are considering 2505? See, 2505 we are considering because of FIBO 78.6% retracement level plus previous price rejection around the area. We are considering 2508 because of FIBO 61.8% retracement level. Okay, and you can see I have drawn one more line here, which is around 2523. Around this area we can expect some reversal, but I'm not sure right now because, as I said, in this market situation, buy at support, sell at resistance is the best trading strategy. But market has tested the resistance so many times that it has become a danger level right now. Okay, only God knows what will happen to the level of 2530. But still, as a scalper, if you see market showing price rejection from above, अगर ऊपर से price rejection show करता है, you can look for a quick sell around 2523 area as well. So let me wrap it up. So right now market is trading in a range, market is sideways again. So buy at support, seller resistance is the best trading strategy for all of us. But as market has already tested a level of 2530, 2528 area many times, 7 to 8 times already. So this level is a danger level right now. So if market breaks 2530, then we can look for a, 2532, then we can look for a buy above it. But if market reverses again, okay, that's your personal choice if you want to go for a sell. But it taking a sell is danger right now. As a scalper, we can look for a quick sell around 2523 area if market reverses during the day. Okay. And the best support on a chart of gold is around 2470, 2475 area, but this level is far away. So we can look for support around 2485, 2486 area, 2494 area as well. But they are also far away from the current market price because right now market doesn't have much volume. So 2500, yesterday's support is still present, but already market has tested many times. So it's also a danger level right now. Be careful. And as a day trader, we can look for a quick bounce around 2508, 2505 if you're a scalper, only before the US session. Right now, the chart of gold is very fragile. For the fourth week, market is an indecision that we have seen on the weekly chart. So be careful and follow proper risk management, strict risk management. Okay, this is not the market where you should be taking high risk. That's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.